Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily find screenshots on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also write your comments after watching and subscribe to our channel. So, dear friends, let's get to our topic. And I will show you the whole process from the beginning. So, first of all, I recommend you to make sure that you have downloaded a program or an application called Google Photo on your device. If you don't, then go to the Play Store, download this program, and then open it up. And you'll have your gallery photos synchronized between Google Photo and your gallery. Now when you open Google Photo, here go to the bottom under the Collection section. And next, you'll see at the top that there's a screenshot option. Click on that. And so friends, this will take you to a list of all the screenshots that you have on your device. And now you can open them, for example, to view them. Or you can delete them from here as well, and so on. This is the simple and very quick way you can easily find and organize your screenshots on Android. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. Bye-bye.